So we are still recovering this account to make sure that we take it back to $100,000 right from where it came from. So it's an account recovery service. Last time we stopped on was it $600, and we're remaining just a few dollars. So now you can see that we're just remaining with only about $172 to just recover back to 100k. So we're gonna have to look out for another trend, probably downtrend, a very good sell that will top up that. Okay, you have to wait for it to come back at this point at least for it to sell again. It has come back a little bit up, get the right momentum to sell, but it seems the entry point was so much of a sell entry point or a downtrend. But anytime it's coming back, so you just have to wait. Okay, it's coming up. If it can extend to about this point here, we can go ahead and sell it to about this point. Wow. Should have entered, but anyways, all in all, it's actually the same. Let's just sell from here and we take the little profits that we can have. Okay, 40%, $40 would be enough for us here, Euro USD. So now we are on $320. Okay, so we can go back to our trade and see if we can get more bids. This is 5 minutes, so meaning that we're still selling. So if at that's what I wanted. A little bit. Oh shit, we lost that. That would have been probably $100 right from here. I should have entered at this point, but we'll be coming back, no worries. If it comes back, we sell it immediately. It's trying to come back, just sell it from there. It's taking long to come back, just sell it. Okay, those are $50. Okay, now you can see now we are at $370. So we are heading for another trend that probably will put us in about so this is the most simple strategy. It's actually the simplest strategy you can use to make profits in Euro USD by having a 30-minute interval up here, and then a 5-minute interval up here also. If you don't have such allowance of having two screens open, I'm probably using mt4, but I recommend that you switch to mt5 to have this feature enabled. So we have two time intervals, 30 minutes on top here and 5 minutes down here. That's Euro USD pure. So normally we switch these to about 15 minutes. So when you have, and we continue using the resistance, which is the fractal. So the last fractal here was actually a down fractal, meaning that it will be pushing us into a downtrend. So it actually paired with the 15-minute fractal. So we have both fractals in 15 minutes and 30 minutes are pushing us down. So that would actually mean that we are probably going to be heading into more concrete downtrend. But remember, we are under an influence of an uptrend. So we're gonna be taking a little bit of profits, not so much, $40. Then now we are at $400, so we can go back to the chart and look for another entry. Just like that, you can make more than $1,000 in just a minute. Now you see, I've just started right now. right now in less than these are 13 minutes and we are still in 13 minutes, so probably it has taken me only 35 seconds to make $400 on my screen. So I'm still in the same time frame. Within less than just a minute I've made $400. So we can go back. As I told you, we're trying to recover this account back to 100k. Yeah, finally now we are back to 100k, which was the original deposit by the client, but he had made a lot of losses. That's why you can see last week or even last 3 months the client had made probably $50 loss here. We had more losses, 9k dollar loss here, 0.02 as a $0.2072 loss here, and $16 loss here, $4 loss there. So I found this account at a point where at this point where here where we last made the sale of 0.02 at this point here. So this is where I started. This is where I made my first trade that resulted into $2 profit. So from that point there wasn't going back. I've been making only profit from that point, only profits, no negative, until I restored back the account back to 100k USDs. So now that finally I've restored, that is today finally I've restored by making 400 USDs in just less than a minute. Now meaning that the rest of the trades that I will be entering will be purely profit making trends. Those are $50 off an uptrend there. And maybe I can give you tips on how to enter trends. It doesn't matter where the trend is going, whether it's going down or up, but if you find the trend on its tip, for example here this trend is on its tip here, down there. Let me first bring up my tool here. If the trend is on its tip like here, do not enter downtrend. You'd rather have to enter a negative or another an uptrend, though we are heading for a downtrend. So that's a trick that you have to master. Then when it goes up a little bit, then you take a downtrend in that case. So you have to oppose the direction of the trend. If it's on its tip, do not enter in agreement with that trend, whether it's a downtrend. You have to oppose it and enter an uptrend, and within a few minutes you'll be making profit. Now if we had entered the downtrend at this point, by now we'll be in a couple of negatives, probably up to negative $100, but we entered an uptrend which was a negative trend, and we managed to make about $50 off very fast. Okay, so I think let's just leave it here. Next time I'll be explaining how to set up this strategy. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free services, and also join the premium version or the pro version of the channel, or you can join our groups or membership, pay some memberships and join the membership, so that you can get premium services for free. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.